Do you need an experience that's not too frightening or scary for your littles? Well, welcome to LEGOLAND Florida's Brick or Treat, home of trick-or-treating, character meet and greets, themed food, and amazing rides. Let's go inside and experience this family-friendly Halloween event. All park gets overlays, such as the Creatures of the Kingdom taking over the regular castle facades, with Lord Vampire having his dance party over here in the middle of the day. We have these giant brick builds like the Vampire Hearse, which is over 280,000 pieces. Took over 2,400 hours to build. Candy stations can be found throughout the entirety of the park, and they open at 2 o'clock and are open all the way until 7. You do not need a costume and you do not need a bag. They provide all of that for you. Entertainment spans the entirety of the park, like Lord Vampire's Monster Party, Monster Rocker, Time to Learn About Halloween, which is for the kiddos, Zombie Cheer, the Great Monster Chase, which is a 4D experience in a theater, the Jammin' Jacks, which is towards nighttime at the front, and then of course the drone and fireworks show called Monster Skytacular. Even the adventure area becomes the Curse of the Pharaoh, and it has a bunch of fun like mummy webs all around. And if you want, you can even meet the mummy Lego. Now they have all of these character meet and greets throughout the entirety of the park with very different stage times. Make sure not to miss a ride on the Lost Kingdom Adventure, which is a Sally Dark ride, shooting dark ride. Very fun, where kids have blasters and go on a temple excursion and adventure. They also have another candy station over here. So again, these are gonna be littered throughout the entirety of the park. In this middle section, heading back to the Technic area, there's these fun little grave brick builds that say R.I.P. Ivana build. And then they have these really fun little ghosties in the tree, which I love those characters. And those little slip-on coverings, I don't know if you remember when you were a kid, but they used to glow in the dark. They have various different themed food options, including the Jacobites, which are a soft pretzel bite served in this little jack-o'-lantern head. Options include the Red Moon Double Burger, which has a black garlic aioli, the Trick or Torta, which is like a shaved beef, the Candy Corn Cooler, the Pumpkin Potion Shake, which is a pumpkin cheesecake, the Franken Fries, which are kind of like a Dubai French fry, well, they're apple fries, but like a Dubai chocolate bar take on apple fries. I wouldn't suspect this at all, but this is actually vanilla, orange, and lemon for the candy cooler. It is not candy corn flavored. Sadly, they got rid of the Plant Monster show, which is one of my favorites. It reminded me of Little Shop of Horrors, but you can still meet the Plant Monster over here next to Ninjago. If your kids love Ninjago, then this is the place for them, as they celebrate the entirety of that series, not only with a Lego brick build over here, which you can add to this awesome temple, and all your favorite Ninjago characters are here, like Kai. This is such a great ride where you literally karate chop your way through a bunch of scenes as a fun little dark ride action. And I always like to try to get the highest score for the day. Let's see how we do. We can't film on the rides anymore. Things have changed, but we'll see if I can be as good as my favorite Ninjago, Zane. Oh, we did pretty good. 438. I think that's gonna be the highest score for the day. Time for the moment of truth. That's it, although I don't know why the photos aren't working, but that's me, 438, 500. For $19.99, they have the Sundae de los Muertos, which is a dulce de leche ice cream with mini churros and caramel sauce. Comes in this really cool specialty little cup. The Red Moon Burger has white aged cheddar cheese, sauteed mushrooms with truffle butter, black aioli, and it comes on a red brioche bun with Parmesan waffle fries. It can be found over at the chicken place called Kickin' Chicken. Usually during the seasonals, they do a separatory chicken sandwich, but looks like they're doing a burger this year. Time to try the Red Moon Burger. You can see it does have those caramelized onions and mushrooms on it. Oh my god. When you bite it, look how red the bun looks now. It didn't look like that before. I mean, there are sauteed mushrooms. I wish the cheese was melted. Garlic parm fries. I'm going into the buffalo with them. I love their buffalo sauce here. They do a couple of different sauces. You can get buffalo, and they also have this boom boom sauce, which is nice and spicy. This, I feel like I'm not getting enough of that black garlic aioli on it. I'm gonna go to this side. That's really good. They just need to make sure it's coated on everything, and then you get a good burger. So they do have sauces on the side, but wild looking option for Halloween. It's officially 2 o'clock, which means only one thing. It's time to go get our candy. Now, this runs from 2 to 7 o'clock. They do provide the little tiny bags for you, but you probably wanna bring an extra bigger bag because you're gonna run out of space. We just happen to have this Legoland bag, but any kind of like grocery shopping bag would work. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Twix, Toxic Waste, Haribo, and Gummy Bears. Oh, and Milky Ways too. Off to the next candy spot. It looks like I see peanut M&M, Snickers, and Gummy Bears. Just a heads up, all the candy stations in the front are going to have a very large line as people are still doing candy distribution for the bags. So I would recommend going all the way to the back. It's a lot faster because there's a lot less lines. By skipping the previous one, we have easily only 20% the wait over here. And while I'm waiting in line, the kiddos are playing in the Pharaoh's Revenge. Oh, we're switching up again. This time we got goldfish and the gummy bears. Looks like gummy bears you get for every single one. Over at the Grove, they have the Jacobites, which are soft pretzel bites tossed in pumpkin spice sugar with a creamy salted caramel dip given to you in a Lego minifig pumpkin head. They are $18.69. Now, fun fact, if you don't want to schmutz up your lid, like I didn't, I just asked them to put the dip on the side. That way we can just throw it out and throw this right on the top without it getting goopy. Without anything, this has pumpkin spice on it. I mean, they're delicious little pretzel nuggets. How do you go wrong? Let's try it in this icing. Oh my God, I'm gonna eat this whole thing. They are bomb. Best thing we've had so far. So good. So I noticed up here, it looks like there's like some space things over here. This is a special media event. I think they're gonna give us a first look or a logo of the new indoor spaceship ride. Maybe it's the name of the coaster.
Sorry, I'm above you.
Well, greetings, Legoland Florida Resort! My name is Mark Osmos, avid explorer of the Lego Galaxy, which is in fact a limitless frontier where both past, present, and future of all Lego space exists together at once. Now, there are numerous intergalactic spaceports throughout the galaxy, which are launching pads for thrilling adventures. They serve as arrival and departure hubs for fellow travelers, training facilities for our cadets before they journey on their space exploration missions, and bases for very important missions. In fact, here at Legoland Florida Resort, a brand new intergalactic spaceport has been constructed in the heart of the Lego Galaxy. It is known as Spaceport 885. In fact, that's how I came to find you all here today. I traveled through that spaceport, actually. Now, my fellow Earthlings, not only will you be the first ones to hear the name, but you will also catch a glimpse at this brand new, never before seen, space-themed family roller coaster, which, I might add, is indoors. Yes, indeed. Coming in early 2026, introducing Galactic Coaster! Now, you are the very first humans to hear this news, but we do hope that you will join us for another special media event over the holidays, where you will get an even closer look at Galactic Coaster, which combines creativity, quick thinking, and thrilling surprises. where we are going to need your assistance, cadets, because you will help us on this unforgettable mission and join us alongside our spaceport heroes, Olivia, Biff, and Nova, to help save Spaceport! Whee! Now, we'd love to learn a little bit more.
Exciting? Cool? Thank you all for being here for Brick or Treat, to experience it, to share it, to cover it, and more importantly, to see this. You are the very first in the world to hear Galactic Coaster name. You are the very first in the world to see this visual behind you. Before California and everybody else, I will say that this is a $90 million investment that Merlin Entertainments is making into both Galactic Coaster coming to LEGOLAND California Resort and LEGOLAND Florida Resort, opening in early 2026. We are taking the creative arm of Merlin Entertainments, Merlin's Magic Making, and the Lego Group, and we are combining it to create this incredible stellar ride that will take you through Lego past, present, and future, using the imaginations of our children and our families, building upon this together to create memories that will last a lifetime. On Monday, we will be sending out video of the track installation for both parks so that you'll be able to see it going in. You'll be able to hear from our project leaders from Merlin's Magic Making. And that's going out Monday, but you're here first, so you're seeing it first. So we wanted to give that to you as a thank you for being here, as a thank you for your support. And we hope that you come back for our holiday events, where we will be giving you another stellar surprise, maybe, and learn a little bit more about Galactic Coaster as we move forward. So join us for that. Thank you very much for being here. I hope to see you at Monster Skytacular tonight, where we'll see the fireworks over Lake Eloise, and thanks for being here.
Applause for Julia Estrada, please. With all of you aboard
the new Galactic Coaster is coming. It looks really fun, and thank goodness it's indoors, because it's going to extend the longevity for when it rains here in Florida all the time. What do you think about the new family coaster costing $90 million across both parks, coming to Legoland Florida and Legoland California? It's the Spider Lady. Oh, she looks so good. Well, that's going to be it for Legoland Florida's Brick or Treat. Is this gonna be one of your family's Halloween celebrations? I hope it is, because it does not disappoint. Check out this video right here for some unfamily friendly fun at Alice Creed SeaWorld.